oh, it's a van back in her.
As a good girl and a good boy.
As a good boy. As a hot boy.
Yeah, right, that's all.
No, as hot people.
You forgot
Oh no, forget it. Good morning, guys. It's Saturday. It's actually after 10 still, but I never really want to come out of my yard. I'm just out of my room. And I have been like for 3 times now. My shipping company called me and told me that, you know, you have some packages here. So I'll be going on the road to go and collect it. Whenever I did want to do that. I'm going out later and I don't even have what I'm going to wear set up in my mind yet, much less figure, you know, but we'll see. So guys, my package, I bought a laptop the last week from Tab 360S or degrees, I don't know. Guys, she forgot to mention, say, you know, me I go out and put a little clothes on, so we can't really record the urban talk because guess what, no, we're not going to be able to copyright me, but I see there and the place is nice as usual.
Don't mess around because she loves me so when there's a no for show. But yeah, she really wanna, but can never see me walk out that door. Don't try to fight for feelings, it's killing me right
If it's a KFC, can come hire him. You forgot church. Trouble.
Papa, sit down. No, that's
see me walk out the door. Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking together, cause we don't know
So the night I got end all of them suck me now and pure excitement. Jump up, mama.
Why you hey, come here.
Come jump up.
Come here, Emma, come up.
No, I'm good.
Give me this. Give me this. Wind up in that.
Watch this now.
Go up in that one. See it there? See it there? Yeah. See the I can go them there. See the Why? This is the see. Oh, this is not those who can't up in there.
No, they be serious though. They be something have to make myself comfortable.
Right, that's so. Yeah.
She used to it, you know.
But say I gotta go to see Wally Party.
Yeah. What got my yard? And them a carry me up. I'm one got my yard. I don't really understand this, you know. But
I'm get tear from my pants.
I rip jeans.
No, the back.
Rip jeans. Guys, she don't understand says a bad back with inner. And we are going with the sale.
Right that top. Right that shirt.
Poor we.
I'm comfortable with your shoes.
It not gonna work. Due to all, it's a van back with inner.
As a good girl and a good boy.
As a good boy. As a hot boy.
Yeah, right, that's all.
No, as hot people.
Oh,
no, forget it.
Yeah.
For true, we're in a van back. We're literally in a van back.
Okay.
Oh, right, so you have come out with. No, as hot people. Oh, no, forget it. For true, we're in a van back. We're literally in a van back. Oh, right, so you have come out with. Woo! Woo! Hey, and then people in the can't support that, then laughing. So, hi neighbors. No, but hey, tell us something, you know. We are the road, you know. Put them feel good. Watch out now. I'm back to your ear week. Pull them out.
That's what I'm telling about. They put them in back now.
But no, guys, like, you know, when you say in life you have a bucket list of some stupid things so you're thinking I never do on some.
This is never bad thing.
Like you know, coming from touching in a van back.
When you beat this up, you don't laugh at it.
Guys, we tell you, Uncle, come here for all of the antics of foolishness. If you don't like, share, and subscribe, we're going to do it from now. You hear me telling you, nobody else not doing them something here. Woo! You wash your ear still like Wednesday Adams. It's a blow right. You get a blow good right in. That's the eye.
Yeah, I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that job.
Everyone. So the taxi man, I mean calling and you hang up on me. I can say them not answer you. I say never hear me. No, someone answer you. Someone say okay then. So like I say, so where you go? What the hell? We don't know what the hell me and him for stay on the phone so long for. We were going, I call an in-driver guys, and I don't. Them bump, yeah. I do we call it some read.
Jesus! I'm back and lick out, I could even now breathe. That's a reach. The roach.
Oh, you know about we about road, so we are regular.
Yeah. And around us, right, that's how we are come out. Jump out, Keisha.
Guys, we just reached the club and thing. So the birthday girl here come. So the comments, happy birthday. You're not coming to the road? A birthday car grease. Woo. So we're outside the club now. I don't think I can go video and do my recording them in the club. So me eating up back when I reach home.
I'm a fuck of friends and send them back to metro housing. Yeah. Too sexy for this syrup, too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this world, too sexy for the life, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame.
Guys,
Too sexy
but
for the trap,
I don't have that job. I can't tell none of about it. Oh,
You sorry, come vlog with?
me?
Wait, never do it there.
Woo. You can't, you want people to put me on?
Tell us the boy take a picture.
But me don't want them to put me on.
Sorry about the way.
You did.
They say, but we left your camper, they say. Yeah, go up and go back up. Yeah, back.
Thank God.
You want to buy it?
No. Run on the side. Tell it something. First act. A letter. Guys, say we doing the things them. We not tell a lie. Put the cup from country with a plastic. Well, yeah. I don't know with a plastic here. Wait no. And then tell an honest truth. The white ticket sponsor. No. She look like a man was green up. Yes, some of them, but the one of them on the stage, and say the longest with the iron food. So tell the honest truth now, we in a van back, right? With the dung pan South California. Oh, nobody can come rub in here, son.
So you take that time.
I'm going to talk without wake up the teeth them. Guys, some dangerous area, you know? But guess I'm not tell a lie. Me are the first one I got duck if me hear a shot. Sorry.
Yeah.
Come, jump down. Hurry up.
Hurry up.
Hurry up.